Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to get streaks on TikTok, just like Snapchat. TikTok has added this new streaks feature, and I'll show you exactly how to enable it in a few simple steps. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Update your TikTok app. First, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Open your App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android. Search for TikTok. If you see the update button, tap on it and wait for the update to finish. Once it's updated, open the TikTok app. Step 2. Check if you have streaks. Now, on the main page of TikTok, tap the inbox at the bottom. If you don't see the streaks feature yet, don't worry. It means you haven't turned it on or it's still rolling out. Let's turn it on. Step 3. Go to your profile. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Enable TikTok Streaks. In the Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down to the Content and Display section. Now tap on Notifications. Scroll down until you see the option for Streaks. It will be disabled by default. To enable it, simply tap the switch on the right side. And that's it. Streaks are now turned on. Bonus tip. To start a streak, send a message or video to your friend and ask them to reply back. Do this daily and your TikTok streak will begin, just like on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. See you in the next one.